Welcome back to another Virtual DJ tutorial. Recently I got a comment on TikTok. Someone asked how to make tracks load faster in Virtual DJ. And today I will not only show you the real fix, but I will also clear up a common mistake many DJs make when searching for this setting, which is not always the case. I'm DJ Izackaw as always, and I share Virtual DJ tips here on YouTube and TikTok. If you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or follow, so that you don't miss out on the future videos like this one, that make DJing more fun and effective. And to those already supporting me, I can't thank you enough, and I really appreciate your support. Without wasting much time, let's jump right in. Okay, to make tracks load faster in Virtual DJ, it is not a setting like most of us always think. Tracks tend to load slower in Virtual DJ when you have just added them to your computer or playing in Virtual DJ for the first time. Virtual DJ needs to know the details of all your tracks, which include title, artist, remix, length, BPM and key, and others which we cannot see here, which sometimes can be seen from here. But most importantly, the BPM and the key, in order to speed up things for you. But if you don't help Virtual DJ to do that, loading tracks faster will not be easy. Let me show you what I mean by loading the first song to deck 1. As you can see here, the progress bar is filling up slowly. That's because Virtual DJ doesn't know any information about this song yet, and it is trying to analyze it on loading. Now after loading, you have seen that we have gotten a BPM info and the key. Now let's load the same track to deck 2 and see how fast it can load. As you can see, it has loaded in just a second. Now you can tell the difference between the song which has played in Virtual DJ before and the one which has not yet, just by looking at the browser area here. As you can see, the song we have just loaded is showing all the information while others are not yet showing. But that is not yet enough. When the track is analyzed, you can see the play count here, how many times you have played it and the last time you have played it. So what we are going to learn today is one of the first things you are supposed to do as a DJ whenever you add new tracks to your computer. And it should be a must that whenever you add new tracks to your computer, you should analyze them before you start actual mixing. You can do that by navigating to the browser area and click on any song. Then press Ctrl A to highlight all the tracks. Then right click and navigate to batch. Then move to analyze for BPM etc. and click it. The analysis process starts from the bottom. And depending on the performance of your computer, others analyze one by one while others analyze 3 songs at a go. Now with all your tracks analyzed, loading them will be just a blink of an eye. As you can see, all of this is happening without us tweaking any setting. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment and share to spread love for Virtual DJ. And I will see you in the next video.